Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to launch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge game on your Windows computer, or if you're facing crashing and freezing issue. Now the first step is to restart your computer. So just restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Still you're facing the problem, then install Visual C++ file. Now this has worked for many players, so install this Visual C++ file from this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Install x86 and x64 version. So download both the exe file, that is x86, and then download x64 version, and then run both the exe files. So click on it, install both the exe file, and after the installation, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to enable .NET framework. Now after installing latest update on Windows 11, the latest Windows update has disabled .NET framework on Windows 11 computer. To activate it, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening command prompt as an administrator, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the process complete. Now this process will take some time. So once the first process is complete, run the second command, and once this is complete, run the third command, and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, launch the game. You can also enable this feature by typing turn on Windows feature on or off. Click on it, and then make sure .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 both are checked over here. So if this is not checked, check it over here, and then click on OK. After the installation, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to verify the game files. For Steam user, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties. Now go to the local files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification, launch the game. For Xbox Game Pass user, I have shown all the steps at the end of the video. Now next step is for Xbox Game Pass user as well as Steam users. For Xbox Game Pass user, run the game as an administrator. For this, go to Xbox app, make a right click on the game, click on create desktop shortcut, and then go to desktop, make a right click on the shortcut, and then click on run as administrator. Now for Steam users, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game installation folder. Make a right click on the tmnt.exe file, then select properties, go to compatibility tab, and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply. OK. Now make a double click over here and launch the game from the game installation folder. Now the next step is to ignore this. So just run the game as an administrator. Next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. On NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. So make sure that you select the right graphic card. So select your graphic card over here. In my case, I have selected my graphic card. You select your graphic card, and then select the right operating system from here. In my case, it's Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11, then click on start search. Now once you click on start search, scroll down. The top one is generally GeForce Game Ready driver. Right now it is showing NVIDIA Studio driver, so I will download GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one. So on the top you might see GeForce Game Ready driver. So download the latest version. So click on get download, and then once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and then click on OK, and let the process complete. Now click on agree and continue, and then select the option which says custom, and then click on next. Now put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. So put a check over here and then click on next and let the installation complete. Now after the installation, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. Make sure that you're running the game on dedicated graphic card. For this, type in graphic settings and then click on graphic settings. Now click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, for Steam user, go to C drive, then open program files x86. Now open the Steam folder, Steam apps folder, and then open the common folder. Over here you will find your game folder. In my case it's in E drive, so open Steam, Steam apps, common, and then open this TMNT folder. Select the game.exe file, then click on add. Now once the game is added, click on options, select high performance, then click on save. Again click on browse, select the launcher, click on add. Again click on options, high performance, save. For Game Pass user, select Microsoft Store from here and then click on select an app and then select the game. Click on add. Once the game is added, click on options, high performance, save, and then launch the game. Now next step is to disconnect all the external devices. So if you have multiple external devices connected, disconnect all the USB external devices which is connected to the computer which you are not using. So if you have these devices, disconnect it. Also close all the third-party applications. So if you have these applications running, close it and then launch the game. Also remove the undervolt. So if you have undervolted your hardware, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to update your Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. So go to the start menu, click on settings, click on update and security or Windows update and then click on check for update. Now once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you are using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 10, click on update and security. If you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security and then click on Windows security and then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Then if control folder access is on, click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Again go to the game installation folder. So open Steam library, Steam apps, then open the common folder, then open the game folder. Now select the exe file, then click on add. Again click on browse all apps, select the launcher, open. Once the game is added over here, now launch the game. Now the next step is to close all the overlay application. Also disable Steam overlay. For this, make a right click on this game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game and then launch the game. Also if you have Discord running, close Discord. Now if you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay application and then launch the game. Next step is close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running, so if you have this software running, close MSI Afterburner. Now if you have Riva Tuner running, close Riva Tuner. So close all the overclocking application and then launch the game. To perform Cleanboot, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here and then click on disable all and then click on apply. Okay, you will see the restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to launch the game in window mode. So if you are able to launch the game first. Now go to options and then scroll down. Now over here borderless full screen is selected. You can select window mode and then you can also lower down resolution. So if this is set to 4K, you can try 1920 into 1080p or you can even lower down resolution more. You can turn off the VSYNC and then apply the settings and then launch the game. Now the next step is to reinstall the game to different drives. So for Steam users, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on uninstall and after the uninstall, delete the game folder from the game installation folder. Now restart your computer after you delete the game. Now restart your computer, and after the system restart, reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now for Xbox Game Pass users, make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. On the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on. In Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11 select the right time zone from here. So this would be highlighted in Windows 11. Select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now and make sure right country is selected over here. Now the next step is to make sure that you're logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox apps. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out. In my case it's already logged out, but in your case you might be logged in. So first of all, log out. So click on your profile icon, then click on sign out, then click on sign in. Select the right account, then click on continue, and then enter the PIN or password over here. And once logged in, open Xbox app. Again on the top left here you can see a profile icon. Click on sign out and then click on sign in and then again sign in. Now select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. So log in with same account on Xbox app and with same account on Microsoft Store, and once you're logged in with same account, now launch the game. Now the next step is to verify and repair the game. For this, go to Xbox app, make a right click on the game, select manage, then go to files and then click on verify and repair. Click on yes. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from the computer. Now once done, run the second command. Copy this, paste it over here on the same window, hit the enter key. Now this will open Microsoft Store and you will see the install option to install gaming services. So click on install, click on yes to allow and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, now you can launch the game. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is also provided in the video description. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Now during this process you will receive some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window and now launch the game. Next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the bottom left here you can see library option. Click on library and then click on get updates. So click on get updates, and once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to repair or reset the game. For this, go to start menu, then click on settings. Now click on apps. Now over here, find the game. Now click on the game. In Windows 10, simply click on it and then you will see advanced option. In Windows 11, click on the three dots and then click on advanced option. Scroll down, click on repair, and after the repair, launch the game. But still you're facing the problem, then click on reset, and after the reset, launch the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So go to Xbox app, make a right click, then click on uninstall game, and click on yes, and after the uninstall, restart your computer, and after the system restart, reinstall the game, and after the reinstall, launch the game. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.